Right, hello everyone. I just wanted to make this quick video because I had trouble getting my Gamo apart. Couldn't really find much online. I could see a diagram, but I couldn't see how it works, and there were no other useful videos. So if you've got a Gamo, this is a Phox in 2.2, comes with this stock. I believe you've got the GX-40, GX-250, Coyote, lots of other Gamos. If they look like this, it's the same sort of thing, right? So to separate the barrel and the cylinder, there is a grub screw that runs through here. Hey, just pausing the video and jumping in with a voiceover here to say that there's also two screws next to the magazine port, but they're obvious, you can't miss those, and they're not part of the anti-tamper, so they're not included in the video. Okay? Now you won't be able to see it because there's an anti-tamper device fitted inside here. I'll put a picture up of what it looks like because I've already drilled mine out. So what you're going to need to do is get a 6 to 8 mil drill bit, and then in the center of the plastic that I showed you was there, you're going to drill out only about, I've lost focus, only about a centimetre and a half deep, and then once you've done that, you might be able to see just the tip there. It's the anti-tamper pin. So inside there is a roll pin that you have to knock out. Bear with me while I set the camera up and show you this. So with your gun in a suitable vise, you're going to get a punch. Zoom out. Get a punch like this. This is a this is a 5/32 punch, whatever that is in metric. You just want one big enough for the roll pin but small enough to get in the hole. You're going to put it in there, tap it with a hammer, and then your roll pin, anti-tamper pin, will drop down in there. You can just pour it out the end. So I've just knocked the anti-tamper pin through, pour it out like that, and you can see it's just a little roll pin. And then you're going to need a 2.5mm Allen key. You get your Allen key all the way in. Can't see. And in there is a 2.5mm grub screw. You see it coming out there. Okay, hope that helps.